好的，谢谢。
借一下您的护照，谢谢。
谢谢你。
好，我们这次订2个房晚的住宿。
是的。
好，没有问题，有找到。那我们先帮您把手续给完成，然后保存行李。
好，谢谢你。
不会。因为昨天其实我们住的比较满，几乎是客满，所以我发现可能得晚一点。
好的，就是3点之后是吗？
最晚是3点，因为我们基本上3点 check in 的。对，但是或许2点多以后有机会，我们先做 early check in。
好，可以。谢谢你。想请问是1张大床对吗？
对，
好，可以。
1张大床，
因为我1个人而已。
好，这边跟您做一个确认。那我们这一次啊是透过这个 Easy Travel 订进来的，那是2个房晚，18号是 check out。OK， 那房型就是您刚刚确认到的1大床的这个精致房型。
是的。
包早的这次每天我们都有2客的早餐做提供的。那在费用的部分，这次已经先算清了。好，那电话号是正确的吗？
对。
好，等一下电邮再麻烦您。那我们这边可以看到，我们退房的政策是11点钟做退房的。退了房要存行李也是没有问题的。
好的。
那我们全馆都是不抽烟的房间，签字的部分。
好，谢谢你。
check in 的手续我们已经帮你完成了。那行李等一下还需要整理吗？还是已经？
我已经弄好了。
好的，没有问题。好，那您久等了。
没事。
我们这边呢，晚一点您就取这个牌子，我们可以换到行李跟房间卡。那现在这个空间呢，如果有空位的话，您可以先做休息是没有问题的。在右手边时钟旁边是厕所，可以做使用。
好的。
等一下您可以看到左侧有咖啡机，白色那一台是饮水机、开饮机，然后还有我们的这个茶叶都是免费提供给我们贵宾，对，都欢迎做使用。那有任何问题，随时都可以跟我们做联系。
可以的。
再麻烦你。谢
谢你 Moses。
不会，谢谢。我们晚先进。
Hello everyone! Finally, it's 2 p.m. and I'm now here to do a check-in. And thankfully, they gave me the room so that I can wash up and really have a good rest before heading out to the night market. But before that, let me just give you a room tour. Alright, so this is the main entrance when you come in. Alright, you'll be greeted with this beautiful bed. Okay, I'm trying to give you as big and a perspective as possible so that you can see. So this is basically the bed area. It's a queen size bed if I'm not wrong. And there is a nice window over here. Definitely not the kind of view that you will get in the big cities, but really not too bad. I must say I've stayed here before and I really love the service as well as how quiet it is because it is just at the fringe of Ximending. Okay, alright. Some little details that I wanted to share with all of you are all these little knobs. Essentially, you can hang your clothes with all the hangers here. I really love such little thoughtfulness because it makes you, able to hang your wet towel and things like this. Really loving it. The next part is the big TV. Okay. Usually, I don't really watch TV when I'm traveling overseas, but I welcome that because especially when, you never know when you may be bored. And of course, we have a very big table here. For content creators or people who are working, this is the best spot with all the charging station. If I'm not wrong, it's all international plug, so you should be able to just plug in what you need and you get the power supply. Okay, so what else do we have here? 2 bottles of water, some tea, sugar. I think this is oolong tea, and of course a very nice canned wood water flask. Okay, so quite nice. And there's a little lounge area over here as well. If you are bored, you can just lounge here with your loved ones. And some little details here is a safe. Okay, so you can actually put important things inside the safe. Now let's move on to the washroom. Okay. So there is a vanity area over here. Okay, very nice big mirror. And you can essentially just, do your brushing of teeth, washing of hands. And then not to forget, there is a hair dryer. Next up, the shower area, which is here. Welcome to the shower area. It's not exactly very big, but very functional. With the hand shower, so there is some racks for you to put your toiletries. And in fact, they also provide shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Again, another small details, hangers for you to hang your dirty clothes and clean clothes. Awesome. Next up, the WC. This is my favorite because they use the bidet. Okay, the Japanese bidet. My gosh, I love this. Alright, the seats are warm, especially in the morning. I definitely love such small details. Okay, and of course a full mirror where you can see. Okay, get dressed before you head out. And this is the main door to exit. And there you have it, the full room tour for Just Sleep. Okay, and I hope that it's not a sponsored post, but I think generally this is a very nice place to stay. And if you want to have any questions, feel free to just ask me. Happy to help you. Alright, with that. Okay, see ya. Bye.